So I asked him at the very end, I said, how do you feel about the session? Did it meet your needs? And he goes, you know what, Karen? He says, when I first called, he says, I wasn't sure what my needs were. He said, was just feeling really out of sorts. He said, it's late November. And he says, I just started noticing for the first time in my life that I feel a little bit of depression in December. And he said, you know, my life was so busy before, I just don't think I ever had time to notice it. And I don't think I really felt it. But he says, I've lost my wife. He says, I've lost some of my children. He says, I no longer have any of these animals that you've channeled today. He says, I continue to look to the birds and to the clouds. And he says, but in my old age, there has been a lot of loss. Mm-hmm. And he said, I can't thank you enough because it feels like you brought it all back to me today. He said, I feel young again.
You could be listening right now. Coffee with the Sarlos airs early for our patrons on patreon.com/the Sarlos.